take a moment and find something to trace in the shape of a circle, like a roll of masking tape or something like that, a little bit bigger than a coffee cup. There are three basic parts to the cell cycle. The first part is interphase. An interphase is the longest phase. It is basically the growth and development phase of the cell. The second phase is divided up into four parts. Three, four. This part is called mitosis. The last part of the cell cycle is called cytokinesis, or cell division. Interphase is then divided into three subsections. The first one is called the G1 phase. It's the growth and development phase. The S phase is S for synthesis, where DNA is copied. The sister chromatid copies itself. In the G2 phase, the cell prepares to divide. So, for example, the centrioles move around to their positions, and the cell is getting ready to divide. Mitosis is further broken down into four phases, and we use a learning tool of PMAT. P stands for prophase, M stands for metaphase, A stands for anaphase, and T stands for telophase. We then enter into the last phase of the cell cycle, cytokinesis. Let's quickly review. Interphase is basically about growth. Mitosis is division of the nucleus. And cytokinesis is division of the cytoplasm.